Okay, ambiguous case o yung case 2 ng sign law of signs na two triangles or two solutions are formed. So, ang condition natin, yung height is less than A and side A is less than side B. So, nangyari yan. Yung height na nakuha natin is 1.667 which is less than A. Ang A natin is 2 at ang B natin is 3. So, pag less than siya, makakabuo tayo ng dalawang triangle. So, dalawang triangle yung nabuo natin. So, meron na tayong isang angle na given which is yung 34 degrees, first angle yan. So, yung second angle na hinahanap natin, we denote that as B1. So, yung first triangle. No? So, yan, ginamit natin yung sign law, sinet up natin yung proportion. Arc sine of 0.839 is equal to 57.01 degrees. So, yun yung second angle nung first triangle na nabuo natin. Okay? Yung third angle natin makukuha. Ayan. So, buo na natin yung meron na tayong dalawang angle, no? Yung third angle na lang. So, after makuha nun, ima-minus mo na lang siya. 180 minus 57.01 yung nakuha natin. And then 122.09. So, buo na yung ating first triangle. First triangle pa lang yun. Yung second is kukunin natin yung angle C. Okay, kasi A and B. Okay, angle A, side B yung first triangle. So, ang kukunin natin is angle C, side C1 and side C2. Okay? Angle C natin is 130 minus 34 minus 57.01. Yung nakuha natin kanina. So, 180 minus yung angle A at saka yung angle B. Yung angle na huli natin nakuha, yung B1. So, 180 minus yung angle B1 minus B2. Yun na, 180 minus angle B1 at saka angle B2. So, 88.89 yun. So, para makuha natin yung side C, ayan na. So, lumabas sa sagot, 3.58. Then yung angle C1, syempre, angle sum theorem, ima-minus mo sa 180. Angle C1 is 180 minus yung A, minus yung B2. So, lalabas 23.01. Dito pala, pagka ganito, sign law ang ginagamit mo, always mag-check ka muna ng height. Protocol pala rito, mag-check ka ng height. Kasi, pag yung A is less than H, no triangle exists. Pag equal, it's either right triangle or pwede yan. Isang triangle yung mabubuo. Pwedeng yung isang triangle na yun is right triangle. Or, kung ang angle is more than 1, no, triangle pa rin siya. Diba, hindi lang height. Pag nakita nyo 1 point something na yung kanya o 1.2 o 1.1, hindi na siya pasok. So, no triangle exists na yun. Pwede din naman na pag yung A is less than the H, yung H is less than A and B, pwedeng dalawang triangle yung mabubuo. So, always check for the height. Okay? Yung yung less than 1 yung angle hindi yung side. Angle yung less than 1. Angle yung greater than 1. Pag yung angle is greater than 1, no triangle is formed. No? Angle yon. Kasi yung sine value is negative 1 to 1 lang ang value. So, yun lang po.